Hey there guys, and welcome to another Microsoft Word video tutorial which is brought to you by myself, Ian Gibbons, and you can find all these videos on my website at www.learningonline.com. Now this is part 2 of my interface ribbon tutorials, and we've last left off with insert. We'd insert a table, and now I'm going into the page layout tab. In the page layout tab, it gives you all these functions of changing your page. If you want to change the color of it, the themes, on which theme suits your document. All colors won't suit the same document, so you can change it, and you can build your own theme by changing different colors. And all these here change your different margins, orientation, the size of your document, how many columns you want, 1, 2, 3, if you want them on the left or right. And let's create breaks in the pages if you want the text wrapping, section breaks in the next page, and there's loads of things. Page color, if you want the page color maroon or blue or whichever color you want, it allows you to change it. And I'll be going through more of these in depth in later videos. As I declared in the first video, I said I'd be just doing the basics for now, so just to get you up and running on your documents if you need to create them straight away. And now the next tab I'll be going to is references, which is adding a table of contents to your document. I'll be having a separate tutorial on table of contents because there's a good bit of information to learn about it, because table of contents is probably one of the hardest things to do in Microsoft Word. So I'll be going through that tutorial in fine detail to make sure that you are 100% comfortable of using the table of contents function in Microsoft Word. The next tab that I'll be looking at is the mailings tab. This is self-explanatory really. This is used for all your mailing options like creating envelopes or creating labels for the envelopes. Mail merge, this is a really cool function that I'll be getting to in further videos, and you can select the people who you want to send them to, and you can create new list or use an existing list if you used it before. And in this review tab you have your spell check, which is one of the most important tools in Microsoft Word, because this allows you to correct every single mistake if you have any on your document. And then this is research here, and the thesaurus if you want to look up new words instead of repeating the same word over and over again. Word count, this declares how many words you have written in your document. And this translate button just translates the document if it's a different language. Then you select your language that you are most comfortable with, and you can insert comments and track your changes. So it's really cool, this review tab. It's really important to review your document after you've written it out, because you want everything perfect if you're handing it up in a school environment or even in a work environment. And the last tab that I'll be looking at is view. This is view full screen reading, or if you want to look at it in a web layout, a draft of your document, or even the outline. And this is to zoom in if you want to zoom in the document 100% or 50%, whichever you like really. And you can put on the grid lines or ruler, even the navigation pane at the side, which is really handy if you have a table of contents. So thank you for watching my video tutorial, and I'll be updating new content to my website daily, so please tune into our website and give us a thumbs up on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you, and I'll be seeing you again.